disclose everything, but I have said online departments are part of that. I cannot remember.
Ka Sarkar Jilla kala ai ka jimanjur ya ka tender committee ka batmai na ka benta ban panya ya ka 108 emergency services shaka company batmai. Haba pentip ya kene haka khanyo trik jamang ka menteri ka tenat ka koj ka khya ka kong Amperin Lingdo kala ong mentah ka sngi ngala ai ka jimanjur ya ka tender committee ka batmai bat hakani ka kenti ka bamenta ngi dewan panyai bha ya ki rukom trekam. Kalau ong bakalong ka basno benyaw baka jing IG Shakri jong ka 108 emergency services kamsham lalong ka waya ibe ya irmti how news nam baladam. Habakali ka menteri kala ong ya mentahi ka NHM kala shimti ban penya ya kini ka kam. Ki nong trei kila penpau ya ka jing snowhun Henry kalong ka basno benyaw namar ka NHM kam dei setia ka kenhun ka badai biang na ka benta ban penya ya ka jing Shakri ya ka 108.
No security, no insurance.
Haba penpau ka jing sokya halor ki hok jong ki nong trei ka menteri kala ong kila don atli ki jingja ha ka ba ki nong trei jongi kila ya kendu ya ki jingja tengku kali ka bajur ha ka ba uwei na kila pen benaba ula kala anna. Sham la yo satya ya ki no ki jing mentoy na ka kamba ula trei ka jingbu jingken show bat insurance kani kan omla ban yat kumne ngalas ngo benyaw shibun na ka benta ki nong trei ha ka jing shisha ngim shem la phai khmat halor ka ei ka badan kam bangin le na ka benta ki ne ki arhut ki nong trei ki bamenta kimla shu ban le phai shala ka jong ka kam jindala don ka company ka batrei kam ka ban penya ya ka jing Shakri ka EMRI kini ki nong trei kin jindala yo jing mentoy ong ka kong Amperin da ka ba pentik naru ba kandang penlong ka jing akran hapo ka sarkar ban khmi bada ki no kilenti on la ban khmi ya ki ba kum ki ne ki brio ya ki hok jong ki nong trei la pen khen namar sham la pen trikam bat kam sham la don ka kunhun bala pen kubor ka ban penya ya ka 108 services ka la pen rap.
We need not disclose everything, but I have said online departments are part of that. I cannot remember by heart, but I know that what we didn't do before, I am doing now. When you say tender means you're expressing willingness to work with a third party. Doesn't mean that the government is going to be running it. Right now, NHM is running it. Employees are quite satisfied, but unfortunately, NHM is not the correct forum or the platform to run the 108 because you have employees who are working in these things. Recently, there were two very serious incidences where our workers met with serious accidents. One of them is already certified as disabled. He has no benefit of post service benefits. No security, no insurances, no nothing. This cannot go on like this. I feel very bad for the workers. And in fact, we are zeroing down on what we need to do for these two workers who now are unable to go back to work. Had there been a functional company running the EMRI services, these workers would have benefited. So I'm engaging with government to see what would be the best thing to do for these kinds of individuals. Worker rights are being violated because we are not a fully functional, no authorized agency to run the 108 services.